Health benefits of cucumber, red onion, and garlic. Combining cucumber, red onion, and garlic in your diet can provide a range of health benefits due to their unique nutritional profiles and bioactive compounds. Here's a detailed look at the health benefits of each. Cucumber 1. Hydration / explanation. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them an excellent food for maintaining hydration. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, including skin health, digestion, and nutrient transport. 2. Low in calories. Explanation. Cucumbers are very low in calories, making them a great addition to a weight loss or weight management diet. They provide a satisfying crunch and can be used as a low-calorie alternative to higher-calorie snacks. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Explanation. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, flavonoids, and tannins. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. 4. Promotes healthy skin. Explanation. The high water content and presence of vitamins such as vitamin C and silica in cucumbers contribute to skin health. They help maintain skin elasticity, reduce puffiness, and promote a healthy complexion. 5. Aids digestion. Explanation. Cucumbers are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly in the skin. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, helps prevent constipation, and supports a healthy digestive system. Red onion 1. Rich in antioxidants. Explanation. Red onions are high in quercetin, an antioxidant flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. Quercetin helps combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Heart health. Explanation. The sulfur compounds in red onions can help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clots, contributing to overall heart health. Red onions also contain anthocyanins, which have been linked to reduced risk of heart disease. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Explanation. Red onions contain compounds like organosulfur and flavonoids that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as colorectal and stomach cancer. 4. Supports immune system. Explanation. Red onions are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in immune function. Vitamin C boosts the production of white blood cells, enhances the body's defense mechanisms, and aids in wound healing. 5. Blood sugar regulation / explanation. The chromium in red onions helps regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin activity. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Garlic 1. Boosts immune system. Explanation. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Consuming garlic can enhance the immune system's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. 2. Heart health. Explanation. Garlic is known for its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. The sulfur compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Explanation. Studies have shown that garlic consumption is associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancer. The sulfur compounds in garlic can inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Explanation. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues including heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. 5. Detoxification. Explanation. Garlic helps detoxify the body by enhancing the activity of liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. It also contains bioactive selenium, which aids in the detoxification process and protects the liver from damage. Combining cucumber, red onion, and garlic. Combining these 3 ingredients in a dish, such as a salad, can provide a powerful nutritional boost. This combination offers a mix of hydration, vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It supports heart health, immune function, and cancer prevention, while also promoting digestion and skin health. Incorporating cucumber, red onion, and garlic into your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, sandwiches, or dips. Their complementary flavors and health benefits make them an excellent addition to a balanced and nutritious diet. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.